Oh, tomorrow is National Pumpkin Day, and our friends over at All Recipes have provided us with an easy recipe. In fact, it is so
We'll
easy.
be the judge of whether it's easy
Well,
or not.
it's called Easy Pumpkin Muffins. But we'll screw it up, so just watch. Okay, we're going to post the ingredients probably somewhere on our website.
And remember, any brands will do.
Yes, thank you for that. But you do need a package of yellow cake
Now,
mix, pumpkin puree, which you're going to open.
If you
from
were here for the
1960.
last time we did anything like this, this is what they dug up for a can opener.
It's a
This
good one.
is circa 72, I'm pretty sure.
I've been told that was a good year, though, for can
This is a
openers.
beauty
Yeah.
that we picked up. It's a rival, and it's an
right.
automatic, okay?
Well,
Just listen to this
Emerald,
sound
get it going
of
over
good
there.
engineering right here. Listen.
oh, that does sound good. So once you open
It's
that.
also not working.
Oh,
Hang
good.
on.
We also need a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, half a teaspoon of ground nutmeg, a fourth of a teaspoon of ground cloves, which I just today learned what a clove
Okay,
was. So
you
that
know
was
what?
exciting.
This is not looking good.
Do you want my keys? Can you open it with keys? Just stab it. This is going well. Oh.
You look in the bowl.
Here, would you like any utensils?
Oh, wait, here we go.
Oh, no, we got one here.
Here we go. Wait.
All right. Okay, we got these
Oh,
two.
no.
So
All right, go ahead.
there we go. We preheated the oven to 350 degrees after I messed it up at 375. But we also greased the muffin tins. And now in a large bowl, we have the cake mix. We're going to put in the pumpkin puree, which looks less than appetizing. Don't cut yourself.
And there's no real pumpkin in it. We know that.
Oh, there's
right?
not?
No.
It's just puree?
No, it's gourd, I think, or something.
Oh my gourd. Okay, so we add all that. And
ahead,
then
keep
we
talking.
add the cinnamon, the nutmeg,
Go ahead and add
and the
that while I'm doing
cloves.
this. Go ahead.
All right,
You can do that.
cinnamon.
You don't have to be a chef to do this stuff.
Well, I'm Chef Lala.
Yeah, we're cooking with Lala today.
And Ken. I don't know what your nickname would be.
Don't ever say that again.
Awesome. And
It's
now-
all in?
And now you simply mix.
Simply mix.
This is going to take a while.
Yeah, it does, and that's the problem.
Awfully clumpy.
Well, it's got to be mixed, hon. It's going to take a while. So, what do you talk about? Did they plan on what we talk about while I'm mixing this?
Yeah, after you mix it, we'll just tell you what's going to happen.
Well, tell them about All Recipes.
Yes.
They have a website.
All
right?
Recipes. The website is allrecipes.com, and it is owned by the Meredith Corporation, which we have to take a moment and
All right.
salute because they own us too. So you can find all
And you
sorts
think
of
we're kidding
recipes
when
there.
we say that they totally own us. Contractually,
They
we are owned by them.
That does not look right.
It's okay. It'll
All
be all
right.
right. I just got to get the gooey out of the middle. There we go.
Perfect.
All right, that's good.
So we will,
No, we really can't move on.
because we're supposed to then scoop it with
I'd rather do
probably this into the tins. And then we're going to put them in the preheated oven for 20 to 25 minutes until a toothpick inserted in the center of one of them comes out clean.
One of what? One of us?
No, I don't think they're going to toothpick us. I think the muffins.
Hang on. I'm almost there.
Man, look at you whip it into shape.
Well, that thing doesn't work.
No, it doesn't.
Okay.
Smells good, though.
It does smell good.
All right.
right,
So
I'm
now
gonna
the
hold-
scooping starts. This is quality programming you can only get on Channel 4
Don't
right
leave
now.
black holes of silence. You have to keep talking. You
I'll-
got to talk about something.
I'll
Talk
keep-
about
I'm-
your Roomba being stuck.
My Roomba is currently stuck at my house. Please email me if that's ever happened to you.
She gets
Alerts. It's
alerts
very
on her phone
exciting.
when her Roomba gets stuck.
Yeah, what about, let's
And
talk
we've all
ab-
had our Roombas stuck, and I think we all know how painful that can be.
It is, thank you. Do you want to tell us what Kendall's being for Halloween?
I have no idea.
Okay.
I think she's going to be a devil.
A devil?
If we do, I think we're doing a trunk or treat this
Okay.
weekend, and she was going to be a devil.
What are you going to be?
Oh, I'm not going to be anything. Oh, you mean for our big show? Because tell them about that.
No, we haven't figured that out yet, but
I
that
know what
is
I'm gonna
going to
be.
be next Thursday. But actually, our friend from Menards told me earlier that he's going to be you for Halloween, which I think sounds terrifying. But as
All
we
right,
do
we
wrap
came
this
up a little short, but that's okay.
That's okay, probably because it's all stuck in here.
All right, now they go in the oven.
For 20 to 25 minutes until we toothpick it and see what happens. And you better believe we're going to post this recipe on our website, kmovie.com/greatday following the show.